Okay, we are going to do some letter sounds. We're going to look at the picture on this beehive. Look at all the pictures very closely. I'm going to start at the top. Let's see. Elephant. Elephant. Can you tell me what letter that begins with? E. Elephant. Let's look at umbrella. Umbrella. What letter? Think about it. Umbrella. U. Umbrella. Wagon. Think about what letter? W. Wagon. Tiger. What letter? Tiger. Pizza. What letter? P. Pizza. Heart. What letter? H. Heart. Cat. C. Cat. Let's see right here. Nest. What letter? N for nest. Sun. What letter? S for sun. Jacket. J for jacket. Banana. Let's look at the letters. Banana. B. Lion. Let's look at the letters. Lion. L. Igloo. I. Igloo. Goat. Goat. G. Goat. Let's go. Doll. D for doll. Apple. Apple. A for apple. Vase. V for vase. Octopus. O for octopus. Yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Key. K for key. Zebra. Z for zebra. moon. M for moon. Fish. F for fish. And then this is the mystery one. Ring. Ring. I think that letter is gone. Let me see if y'all can figure it out. Ring. R for ring. That is our alphabet sounds.